Lovely and nice. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. It's Black History Month. We're gonna give you another idea, another tips and ways what you can do for Black History Month. Basically, you can. I did the video before, and I feel like I just want to do back the video again. You know what I mean? Cabbage and dumpling with some fried saltfish and cabbage. It's a Jamaican dish. Many countries do use it, but back in Jamaica where I'm from, I know a lot of Jamaicans do use the recipe. So guys, hopefully you will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, get a copy of my cooking book on Amazon. The price to change. The Jamaican rum fruit cake is in the book. You know, I mean, Christmas is coming up. We're not gonna do this kind of recipe in Christmas. Christmas is a part of a time of family come together and then eat dinner and have a great time and watch some of Chef Ricardo video at your home. So guys, this one is Black History Month recipe also. So stay tuned as I show you how to do it. Enjoy it. Yes. Black History Month is one of the best time of the year when people come out, drink, eat, watch some of Chef Ricardo video at home, cook some of Chef Ricardo dishes, and be happy and have a wonderful time. Basically, I have some saltfish here. This is the boneless saltfish. Go to any local shop, supermarket, and tell them that you need boneless saltfish because you saw Chef Ricardo with it. Alright, over here is the same thing. You can go to any local shop and get cabbage. You can get white cabbage. Basically, just cut it up small. Your saltfish, all you need to do is just boil it off into some water for 20 minutes and cool it down and pick it up like this. I got some mixed peppers. I got white onion, spring onion. The only thing I don't have is thyme. I have a piece of a garlic inside of the cabbage there. I got some coarse pepper, olive oil. Let's fry it off. Let's go into business. Black History Month recipe and tips and idea where you can prepare this Black History Month. Nice and lovely. So right here is my front pan. I'm basically gonna put a little bit of oil inside of it. A little bit of vegetable oil, roughly about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil inside of it. Basically, I'm gonna give you a secret and tips and ways how to cook cabbage and saltfish at home. And trust me guys, if you do this, you will say you learn something new. Is put 1 handful of saltfish inside of the front pan. That's 1 handful of the saltfish. Basically saute this off about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice one. Then next, your veg, white onion, peppers, and so the cabbage, spring onion and cabbage again, and also got a few more bits left. Yep, Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Look how it's red. Red and nice. Black History Month color. Look up with the coarse pepper. Be careful of the salt because there's salt already in the saltfish. There's a pinch of salt. Rest of the saltfish on top. Give it a nice lovely stir. As you can see, how that looking so lovely and yummy, guys. Really nice. And you can smell the scent of the saltfish. Nice one. Simple. Cover it for roughly about 3 to 4 seconds. We're gonna sweat and get the juice. Yes, guys, let me see what's going on right here. Look at that. Lovely and nice. As you can see, how it's sweating it up, and you know what I mean? Just look fresh and you know really nice, and that's what you're looking for. Look at the Jamaican red pepper. Red pepper, man. I'm telling you guys, this is beautiful Black History Month recipe served with some caramel dumpling. The caramel dumpling recipe, I will put it below, the link below. But I want you guys to get this one very straight and you know what I mean, really good. So that's simple. Take out one of these pieces of cabbage and taste. Really nice. Give it a couple more minutes, then we're gonna turn it off. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, this looking so fantastic, beautiful, really nice. Now this is finished. You know, you don't have to go any further. The best thing with the cooking your cabbage like this is a proper medium-sized heat. Don't make your stove too high. You're not gonna get the perfect what you need from it, guys. And this look fresh and nice. Simple little pat the sweat and keep the color, keep the veg in the right way. So let's cover this and we're going to share it out in the next 10 minutes time. Right there, that's the Jamaican caramel dumpling, guys. As you can see, cook up some dumpling, black history month dumpling. Problem in our kitchen. Anyway, a Black History Month, and you know what I mean, we love Black History Month, and basically, guys, I'm telling you, it's just, you know what I mean, when we talk about Black History Month, we have to cook some food, have a good time, and you know what I mean. So that's the Jamaican caramel dumpling. I got a lot of video on the YouTube channel show you how to make those dumpling and how to cook it. I will put the link down below. If the link not down below, please search on my YouTube channel and get the link how to cook dumpling. As you can see, Jamaican dumpling and a Black History dumpling. Of course, I'm black, I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, big up every Jamaican. And Chef Ricardo and the team said yes. Dumpling in the pot. Yes, I go on to the kitchen now, guys. Look at dumpling. Let's get out the dumpling then. Dumpling and cabbage and saltfish. Black History Month recipe. Black History Month recipe, guys, and I'm telling you, you have to try this at home. And them things we are talking about. Black History Month recipe, and this is the way we're going to do 2, 4, 5 dumpling we do for my boy. Alright, let's turn off my stove. That's finished with it. And then get them nice lovely cabbages you just make a while ago. Them things we are talking about. When we in the Caribbean, this we have to eat. So if you're familiar with such a food like this, you can't go wrong. Where you go, Pepper? Pepper now want to get bossy and run from the food. Where you going? Stay right there. Lovely and nice. So right here, as you can see, this is exactly what we're talking about. Black History Month recipe, guys. Dumpling and cabbage and saltfish. Sell off. If you never had this before, give it a try and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming up. Black History Month recipe. Enjoy.